Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to manage, so how to turn on and off the grid lines. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and after making sure that you're on the photo mode, simply tap on the settings icon. Now we have to scroll down and find useful features section, and on the third position we've got grid lines, so in order to activate them, just tap on the switcher on them. Now we can go back, and as you can see, they have been immediately applied to our camera. I hope that you can see all of those helper lines, and from now on, if you'd like to take harmonious photos or apply the rule of thirds, then I hope that the grid lines will help you. And actually that's all. If you'd like to turn off the grid lines, nothing easier, just tap on the settings icon again, find the grid lines option and tap on the switcher again. Let's get it back, and as you can see, they immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the grid lines in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.